Hi folks, it's John Nizman from lastchanceautorestore.com. Today I'd like to share with you an update on one of the cars we're working on. This is the 1958 Chevy Impala two-door hardtop. So in our previous video, we had showed where we had the body on the rotisserie. It was in the normal position, and we were tack welding and just dry fitting all the panels on. So now we've done substantial amount of progress on the body. So I'd like to share with you. So now that we have the rotisserie tilted up, this is obviously the passenger side of the car, and then down here obviously is your driver's side because we have it swiveled or pivoted. So now you can see, first of all, how handy it is having on a rotisserie so we have access to it. So you can see how this whole front lower firewall section is in really nice shape, and that's all original steel from '58, and then that's all been media blasted. And then you can see the tunnel, which is all original here, the main transmission tunnel in the center. This is also factory original. And then here's our replacement panels. So we have all new metal here in this section of flooring. We have new cross brace. We have new pieces in here and here, which is underneath the passenger seat. We have new inner rockers, new outer rockers, new back floor, and then new bracing along the rear and the middle section. And then on the opposite side, so on the driver's side, and the camera can pick it up quite nicely here, we have the whole new inner and outer rocker panels, and then same thing, we have all the new bracing. So there's 3 cross braces on each side, and then we've been welding. So we're going to weld both sides of the pan from inside and from the bottom side here. So we're making lots of progress. It's fitting quite nicely. And then as we come down this way, you can see where we're going to have quite a bit of work to do in the lower quarter panel area, in the wheel well down here, and in the wheel well in the mounting point, which is inside the trunk. And we have these parts. So it's coming along quite nicely. And then we've dry fitted and cut out the old pieces of metal on the passenger side. So this is where the spare tire is going to set inside. So we've cut all the rotted pieces out, and then we're just starting to dry fit the new pieces. And you can see where we have punched with one of our tools. These are the spot welds, the same as the factory when the new floor goes on. So we've just cut part of the old floor out to give us access to this panel, and then we've tack welded this inner piece to the bottom piece. And now our next step is we're going to flip the car back over shortly, and then we'll be working on that whole quarter panel on the passenger side. So I just wanted to take a moment just to show you the progress on this. So this is the 1958 Chevy Impala, and I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.